Hello, brethren. Calvary greetings to you. You are welcome to online counseling session with Daddy Gio. You see, on this program, by the leading of the Spirit, I will be praying for you, and I will also be solving your problems. And if truly I was called, not flashed or mailed, mark my words, your problem will be solved. We have a very long list, but I will make sure that at least one problem is solved today. Let us call the first person. Lebo Sataya. Mama. Lebo Sataya.
Daddy Gio.
Sister Abby of God. You are welcome. And please hold on.
Daddy Gio.
Brother Leko of God.
Daddy Gio, I've told you I don't want to have anything to do with this man again.
Sister Abby, calm down. Now, Sister Abby, I want you to tell us all what exactly happened about the issue of breakup.
Can you just imagine, as good looking as he is, he's a 1 minute man. Shuku come, he can't perform.
Jesus! Yeah.
How is your dear? Dear one yaba.
My dear, Sebi, I have promised you that I will use Alia Fato for now, and I will use penis enlargement drug.
What? Daddy, can you just imagine?
Brethren, listen to me. As a look-good man like you, if you want your wife to conceive and have kids, you have to be a good natural computer. Oh my God, what is wrong with this network? Can I picture? I would have loved to go into the scripture and share with you the story of Nicodemus, and some other people. But as it is, I don't have much data. Listen to me, brother Lekon. All you need is lots of prayer, probably some sexual therapy, and probably some medication.
Daddy, that's why I want to use penis enlargement drug now.
Brother Lekon, don't waste your money. Can I shock you? Listen to me, Maria. Prayer is the only solution to this your problem. You see, because I can categorically tell you, you see all this enhancement and penis enlargement drugs, they do not work.
Jesus! Up your hand and come again.
You see?
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked
Daddy,
up.
you can't faint, oh.
Wake up!
Wake up, come and explain. You can't faint. You can't faint at all.
You cannot die. MD! Daddy Gio!
How could I do such a mistake? Director, cut.